I remember when I took this image in 2015, I never imagined that the studio would become what it is today in terms of thinking about artistic language and form. And shortly, 2015, 2016, this work was made, shown in Ukraine at the Pinchuk Center, and shown at the White Cube here in London. I think that was the first talk that we had here at the Chelsea. And again, in London, you can just go and see it. But in Tamale, where the roads are bad and everything, to get to the studio, even at my studio, we have access to drinking water. So we take a lot for granted here. And then for these kids to get to the studio, their school is like 20 kilometers away. And the school says, oh, I'm sorry, we don't have a bus. Or we have a bus, but we can't put fuel in the bus to take you. And the teacher comes up creatively and says, okay, fine, but we still want to make the trip, and asks the kids, can we all agree that we want to go? They say, yes, they're very enthusiastic. Okay, can you put on your physical education uniforms? We'll get permission from the school. It's a PE exercise. We're going to do a run. And then 40 kilometers later, just to see art. But here, if they told you to run from here to where, take Britain, here, be like, oh no, that's so far away. Yeah, but again, so that's the question of the courage. So the courage is not just from the artist, but the courage also is born when we also go out of our way to build things that also creates a new condition for experience.